Ever feel like you're running on empty, stress piling up, energy levels crashing, and nothing seems to help? What if there was a simple, natural way to reset your mind and body, something that takes just a few minutes a day and costs you nothing? That's where cold water therapy comes in. It might sound intimidating at first, cold showers, ice baths, but trust me, it's easier than you think and incredibly effective. This age-old practice is making a huge comeback because the benefits are real, from boosting energy to improving mental clarity. So stick around, and by the end, you'll see why cold water therapy is worth trying. Don't forget to subscribe to Earthluxe for more health and wellness tips you'll actually want to try. What is cold water therapy? Cold water therapy is exactly what it sounds like. It's using cold water to improve your health. This could mean taking a cold shower, dunking into an ice bath, or going for a swim in a cold lake or ocean. It doesn't need to be complicated. All you're doing is exposing your body to cold temperatures for a short time. This practice isn't new, either. People have been using cold water for healing for centuries. The Romans, for example, had cold plunge pools in their bathhouses. Nordic countries still use cold water immersion after saunas. They might not have understood the science, but they knew it worked. Now, modern research has shown us why cold water is so powerful. It triggers changes in your body that can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and even boost your mood. The best part? Anyone can do it. You don't need to be a fitness expert or have fancy equipment, just some cold water and a little bit of courage. How cold water works on your body. When you expose your body to cold water, a lot happens all at once. Your skin gets colder, and your body reacts immediately to protect itself. Blood vessels near the surface tighten up to keep your core temperature stable. This process is called vasoconstriction, and it's why cold water is so good at reducing swelling and inflammation. Once you get out of the cold water, your blood vessels open back up. This improves circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients flow more freely throughout your body. Over time, better circulation can lead to healthier skin, stronger muscles, and even better energy levels. But there's more. Cold water also triggers the release of endorphins, which are the chemicals in your brain that make you feel happy. It's like a natural mood booster. And if you're consistent with cold water therapy, your body gets stronger. Your immune system becomes better at fighting off colds and other illnesses. Physical benefits of cold water therapy. One of the most obvious benefits of cold water therapy is how it helps your body recover. Athletes often use ice baths after hard workouts because they reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. But even if you're not an athlete, cold water can help with everyday aches and pains. Cold water is also great for inflammation. If you have conditions like arthritis or chronic pain, cold water therapy can ease the swelling and make you feel more comfortable. Another benefit is for your skin and hair. Cold water tightens your pores, reduces redness, and can even help with acne. And if you want shinier, healthier looking hair, cold water helps with that too. And let's not forget about metabolism. When your body is exposed to cold, it burns extra calories to stay warm. It's not a magic weight loss trick, but it's a nice little bonus if you're looking to stay active and healthy. Mental benefits. You'll notice right away. Cold water therapy isn't just good for your body, it's amazing for your mind too. The shock of cold water forces you to focus on the moment. It's almost like a form of meditation. Instead of worrying about your to-do list or what happened yesterday, you're just focused on breathing and staying calm. This practice also builds mental toughness. Let's face it, stepping into cold water isn't easy. But every time you do it, you're proving to yourself that you can handle discomfort. That confidence carries over into other parts of your life. You start to feel stronger, more capable, and ready to take on challenges. And then there's the mood boost. Cold water therapy triggers the release of endorphins and adrenaline, which make you feel good and energized. It's like a natural antidepressant. Many people say they feel happier and more relaxed after a cold shower or ice bath. How to get started the easy way. If you're thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Don't worry. You don't have to dive into an icy lake on your first try. Start small. The easiest way is to end your regular shower with 30 seconds of cold water. It might feel shocking at first, but you'll get used to it quickly. Once that feels manageable, try extending it to a full minute. Then 2. Gradually, you'll build up your tolerance. If you're ready for the next level, you can try an ice bath. Fill your bathtub with cold water and add a few bags of ice. Sit in it for just 1 to 3 minutes. Don't push yourself too hard. This is about progress, not perfection. And if you have access to a lake, ocean, or cold pool, take a quick dip. Just be safe and don't go alone, especially if you're new to cold water therapy. Clearing up. Common myths. There are some myths about cold water therapy that might hold you back, so let's clear them up. First, you don't need to stay in freezing water for hours to see benefits. Even 30 seconds can make a difference. It's all about consistency, not endurance. Second, cold water therapy isn't just for athletes. Anyone can do it, no matter your fitness level or age. It's for regular people who want to feel better, recover faster, and live healthier lives. And no, it's not dangerous if you do it the right way. Start slow, listen to your body, and don't push yourself too far. If you have medical conditions, especially heart problems, talk to your doctor before trying it. Lastly, cold water therapy isn't a cure-all. It's amazing, but it's just one tool in your wellness toolbox. Use it alongside other healthy habits like eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Why you should try cold water therapy. So, why is cold water therapy worth trying? Because it's simple, effective, and doesn't cost a thing. It can help your body heal, boost your mood, and make you mentally tougher. It's like a natural reset button that helps you feel more alive. The best part is that it doesn't take much time. Just a few minutes a day can have a big impact on how you feel. And you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is access to cold water and the willingness to give it a try. Think about it. What if something as simple as cold water could help you feel stronger, happier, and more energized? Isn't it worth taking the plunge? Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new or feel inspired to try cold water therapy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Earthluxe. We're all about giving you simple, practical tips to live a healthier, happier life. So, are you ready to try cold water therapy? Let us know in the comments how it goes. We'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways to feel your best. See you next time.